going to begin. So today we will do the revision of chapter 3, which is expansion. It's clear? So first you see all the formulae. You can see here. Now you can see here. Here these are the formulae which will be used in this chapter. This is given in the beginning of your book. Yes. Here first formula is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Have you got this formula? A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And there is another formula, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. It's clear? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. There are two similar formulae. You can see here there are two more similar formulae on this. Here this is a plus, there is one formula, x plus 1 upon x whole square. So see here, this we can do by using a plus b whole square. What is in place of a? Who can tell? X. What is in place of b? It is 1 upon x. In place of a there is x, and in place of b there is 1 upon x. So a square, that is x ka whole square, plus b square, that is 1 upon x ka whole square, plus 2ab, 2 into age x into b 1 upon x. So this will be to x square plus 1 upon x square plus x and x cancel. So it is 2. So x plus 1 upon x whole square equals to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now there is another formula, x minus 1 upon x whole square. This we can simplify using this formula, a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? You know, a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you compare this one from here, what will you get in place of a? What will you get? Who can tell? In place of x you will get a, in place of a you will get x, in place of b you will get 1 upon x. So see here, use the formula. So x whole square plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. So it will be equal to x square plus 1 upon x square, this and this cancel, minus 2. It's clear? It is equal to minus 2. Now you see some more formulae in your book. You can open your book. So here it is given a plus 1 upon a whole square, a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. This which I told in terms of x, here it is given in terms of a. A minus 1 upon A whole square, A square plus 1 upon A square minus. Then there is one more formula here, which is the difference of two perfect squares. You can see here. Difference of two perfect squares. Formula number 3. You can see. You got A plus A square minus B square. This is equal to, in one bracket, A plus B, in the other bracket, A minus B. A square minus B square, in one bracket, A plus B, and in the other, A minus B. You can see here. Here, this is the formula. If there are two perfect square, A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. Now see here, what will you write 4 in the perfect square form? What will you write? 4 in the perfect square form. So it will be 2 square. What will you write? 9 in perfect square form. It is 3 square. It is clear? 16 in the perfect square form. It is 4 square. 25, it is 5 square. Is it possible to write 10 in the perfect square form? No. We cannot write 10 in the perfect square form. We cannot write 15 in the perfect square form. It's clear? We cannot write 12 in the perfect square form. So what are the perfect square numbers? So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. These are the perfect square numbers. Means we can say that 1 is a perfect square number, 2 square means 4 is a perfect square number, 3 square, that is 9 is a perfect square, 4 square, that is 16 is a perfect square. It's clear? 5 square, that is 25 is a perfect square, 6 square, that is 36 is a perfect square, and so on. So you can see here, there is one, this formula can also be written in this form. You can see here, A square minus 1 upon A square. How can you write? In one bracket, A plus 1 upon A, in the other bracket, A minus 1 upon A. Okay. Now after that, there is one formula which is not given in your formula list in the book. So you note down that formula. A plus B whole square equals to A minus B whole square plus 4AB plus 4AB. This is the relation between whole squares of A plus B and A minus B. Relation between whole squares of A plus B and A minus B. It's clear? This you remember. This you write down anywhere. It's clear? There is another formula, A minus B whole square. That is equals to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So these two formulae are not given in your formula list. So you can add these. Then you see here, after this, you can see there are some formulae which are given on the page on 7th number. So we will not remember these formulae. We will not remember these formulae. We will do directly. It's clear, no need. Then there is a formula you can see here. A plus B plus C whole square. What is A plus B plus C whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 within bracket AB plus BC plus EA. Then formula number 9, A plus B whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB within bracket A plus B. And when you will multiply 3AB with A, it will become 3A square B. And 3AB with the B, it will become 3AB square. Then there is one formula, A minus B whole cube, A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube. What is A minus B whole cube? A cube minus B cube minus 3AB within bracket A minus B. It's clear? So that you can see here. A minus B whole cube, A cube minus B cube minus 3AB within bracket A minus B. Now see here, I am explaining these formulas once again. You can see A minus B, A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube equals to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB within bracket A plus B. Okay. Now you multiply 3AB within the bracket. What will be? A cube plus B cube. 3AB into A, 3A square. 3AB into B, 3AB. 3AB. It's clear? It is 3AB square. Now suppose you have to write A plus 1 upon A whole cube. A plus 1 upon A whole cube. So it can be done by using this. Here in place of A, there is A. In place of A, there is A. In place of B, there is 1 upon A. You can see, in place of A, there is A. In place of B, there is 1 upon A. In place of plus, there is plus. So you substitute here. When you will substitute, so it is A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3 into A into 1 upon A plus 1 upon A. On further simplifying, what will you get? On further simplifying, you will get A plus 1 upon A whole cube equals to A cube plus 1 upon A cube. A and A cancel. A plus 1 upon A. So this formula is not given in your formula list. You note down to this formula. This is not given in your formula list, therefore you note down it. It's clear? Now after that, I will explain you about A minus 1 up A minus B whole cube. So that you know A minus B whole cube, A cube minus B cube. Everywhere there will be now minus sign. Everywhere there will be minus sign. CAB within bracket A minus B. It's clear? What will be A minus 1 upon A whole cube? In the same way, it is A cube minus 1 upon A cube minus 3 within bracket A minus 1 upon A. So this also, this is not given in your formula list, you note down. Then after that, there are the factors of A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B. Factors of A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B cube. So see here, what will be the factors of A cube plus B cube? In one bracket, there will be A plus B. In the other bracket, A square minus AB plus B square. Then A cube minus B cube. In one bracket, there will be A minus B. And in the other, it will be A square plus AB plus B square. Then there is one last formula, A plus B plus C whole cube. A plus B plus C whole cube. It is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus equals to 3 A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3AB. This is not correct. You can see here. Here this formula. This is the factors of this. Factors of you can see here factors of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Factors of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So it will be in one bracket, there will be A plus B plus C. And in the other, there will be A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Now there is one very important result which has been deduced from this. If A plus B plus C equals to 0, suppose this is equals to 0. So when you will substitute here, what will happen? This side will become 0 because this thing is now 0. This thing has become 0. So what will happen? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC will become 0, or we can say A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. If A plus B plus C equals to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. So now you can see here. Here this is given at the 13th number. Is clear? 14th is not required. 14th you can cut. There is no need of 14th. We will not do the formula number 14, but the 15th is important. 15th, if A plus B plus C equals to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. Now I will do some questions here. You can see here. Here you can see question number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part. Here 3x plus 1 upon 2x whole square. By which formula you will do? By which formula you will do this question? So you can see here. By which formula we will do? Either we will use A plus B whole square, or we will use A plus 1 upon A whole square. Which one will be used? Either this will be used or this will be used. Formula number 1 or formula number 2. Who can tell? Tanvi. Tanvi. Now answer. Shreya Mishra.
Yes, sir. Second one. A plus 1 A whole square.
This one, second one. Now
Yes, sir.
answer. We will not use second one. Why? Why we will not use second one? Because here in this formula, there should be the same thing in upon. If here there is A, then here also A. If there is 3x here, then here also it should be 3x. But if you see here it is 3x and here it is 2x. It's clear? There should be same thing in the upon.
Yes.
Then only you can
Yes, sir.
use the second one. It's clear? So
Yes, sir.
we will use the formula number 1. It's
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Which formula? We will use this formula. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now first thing, what is in place of A here? First thing, Swastika. What is in place of A here?
Sir, 3x square.
3x square. I am asking what is in place of A. What is in place of A here? Aditya Bajpayee. Aditya Bajpayee. What is in place of
Sir,
A?
3x.
It is 3x. What is in place of B here? Now answer.
1 upon 2x.
1 upon 2. Very good. What is in place of A? 3x. What is in place of B? 1 upon 2x. It's clear? So now you substitute here. You write down 3x plus 1 upon 2x whole square. So A square, that is 3x ka whole square, plus B square, that is 1 upon 2x ka whole square. You will write within the bracket. You will write within the bracket. Don't write simply like this 1 upon 2x whole square. Don't write like this. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
This means it is the square of only x, not of 3. Not of 3.
3.
Plus 2 into 3x into 1 upon 2x.
2.
Simplify. What will be 3x ka whole square? Apurva. 3x ka whole square.
9x.
So 9x square.
Yes. Whole square means you have to multiply the same thing 2 times. Multiply the same thing 2 times. 3 3 are 9, x into x, 9x square. Plus, it is 1 upon
4x square.
Then 2 and 2 cancel. X and x cancel. What will be left here?
3.
3 is left. So,
By 3 by 2.
this is the answer. Whether it is clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you take
Yes,
one
sir.
more question. You take one more question in your book. I am showing you here. So questions are very simple here. You can see. Here question number 2 second part. But now I am changing the sign here. Sign I am changing. Here there is plus, I am taking minus. I am taking minus. It's clear? There is a slight modification in this question. Now which formula you will use? So very simple, you will use this formula. A minus B whole square. It will be equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. What is in place of A? Who will tell? What is in place of A here?
So 3x
3x
square y.
square y.
X square y.
3x square y. 3x square y. What is in place of B?
So
5z.
5z.
Why? Because in place of minus there is minus. In place of minus there is minus. Therefore, in place of B it is 5z. Now you substitute. So A square, that is 3x square y ka whole square.
Whole square.
You will always write inside the bracket. Always write inside the bracket.
Bracket.
Then b square, that is 5z whole square, minus 2 into 3x square
3x square
5 into 5z.
5.
Now simplify 3 square is 9.
9x
X square का
X
square
power
means
4.
x square का whole square. What does it mean?
So x to the power 4.
X power 4.
Y का square.
Y square.
5 square is
25Z.
25 z.
25.
Z.
25 z square.
Z or Z square.
Z square.
Z square.
Z square.
Z square. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now you simplify 2 3 ja 6.
6.
X square y 2 3 ja 6 6 5 ja 30. 30
x square y.
x square y z.
Y z.
X square y z.
Z.
It's clear. Now all of you turn off your audio. Turn off your audio. Now I am taking one more question. Question number 5. You can see 5. This part. Question number 6. This part. Okay. I am going to do this. By which formula you will do this? By which formula you will do this? Can you tell me?
So a minus b minus c.
A minus b whole square.
So all of you see here. Here we can write 2 by 3 of x as 2x upon 3 minus 3 upon 2x minus 1 का whole square. We will use this formula a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 within bracket ab plus
Plus
bc
BC
plus ca.
plus CA.
Now you tell me what is in place of a.
So 2x upon 3.
Very good.
2 by 3x.
2x upon 3. Now all of you see here. Here there is plus sign. But in the question there is minus.
Minus.
So what will be b?
So 3x upon 2x.
Minus 3 upon 2x. Is clear? Have you got
Yes,
this
sir.
point? Minus 3 upon 2x. Once
Yes.
again, here there is plus, but here there is
Minus.
Minus
So
1.
what
Minus 1.
equals to minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now you turn off the audio. Audio, all of you turn off. Now you substitute here. So when you will substitute a square, that is 2x upon 3 whole square, plus b square, that is minus b upon 2x whole square. It's clear? And c square, that is minus 1 whole square. plus 2 within bracket AB. A is 2x upon 3 multiplied by minus 3 upon 2x plus BC. Here it is BC. What is B? Minus 3 upon 2x into C is minus 1 plus AC. What is A? CA? C is minus 1 into A is 2x upon 3. Now you have to simplify. All of you remember one thing, square of any negative number, square of any negative number will be always positive. Will be always positive. This you remember. The square of any negative quantity will be always positive. So see here, this is 2x upon 3 whole square. So it is 2 square is 4, x square upon 3 square is 9 plus. Now minus ka square is plus. 43 square, it is 9. 2x ka whole square, that is 4x square plus minus 1 whole square, it is 1. Then you simplify the bracket. 2x and 2x cancel. 3 and 3 cancel. What will be left here? Who will tell? What will be left here? Can you tell
Minus
me?
1.
Minus.
minus 1.
Then here second term minus into minus is
Plus.
plus,
Plus
minus minus plus, and plus into plus plus. So it is plus 3 upon 2x. And then plus into minus minus 2x
Minus.
upon. Now you open whole. So what will happen? 4x square upon 9 plus 9 upon 4x square. Then plus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then 2 into 3 upon 2x. What will you get when you will multiply this with this?
3 by x.
3 by x. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So it will be 3 by x. And when you will multiply this with this, what will you get?
Minus 4 by x. 4 by x upon 3.
Then in next step, we will simplify this thing. 1 minus 2 equals to? 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. It's clear? Now, I am taking one more question here this time. Question number 4. I told that no need to learn any formula of this. इसका कोई फार्मूला फोर्थ का याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now you see here, I am taking one question here, fourth part of this. Fourth part, question number 4, fourth part. X minus 2y and x minus 3y. It is clear? X minus 2y and x minus 3y. So see here. Here what? How will you do? All of you see here. First, we will multiply this x with this bracket. We will multiply this x with this bracket. So it will be x into x minus 3y. Then minus 2y with this bracket. So x into x.
X square.
X into minus 3y minus 3xy. How will you write? That letter you will write first, which is coming earlier in the alphabet. जो अल्फाबेट में पहले आता है उसको पहले लिखेंगे. When you will multiply minus 2y with x, it is 2yx, minus 2yx, but we will write it as minus 2xy. Then minus into minus plus 2 3 are 6 y square. Simplify x square minus 5xy plus 6y square. It is clear? So now